Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing a luxury haul. There's 3 items here. I don't know if that really technically counts as a haul, but you know what? I'm calling it a haul because it's not getting much bigger than this, is it? I have some stuff from Hermes, some stuff from Zimmermann. If you hear me banging, I'm hitting the box. For some reason, I don't know why I would hit the box, but I'm hitting the box. I have some wish list items in here, and I feel like you guys are gonna be excited that I finally ticked some of these things off my wish list. So if you guys wanna know what I got from Hermes and Zimmermann, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna wanna be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Hermes, you like Zimmermann, I feel like this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be, so you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. Recently, I've been going really heavily on the book content. Really heavy on the book content because I wrote a book. If you guys don't know, I'll leave the video talking all about my new book, Just a Beautiful Corpse, right up here, but I did recently write a book, and oh my God, you guys have been so, I'm sorry to go on a tangent here, but you guys have been so freaking supportive. It's like, I don't even understand why you would support me. Like, I'm nobody, but thank you so much. Even if you only told one person, or even if you like just liked one of my pictures or one of my posts about the book, anything that you do, I am just eternally grateful for. So thank you so much. But with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So I believe this first box here is from Hermes. I need to start opening my boxes before I actually sit down because we already know. We already know about the struggles, okay? Oh, I can see the orange boxes. I can see them. I see you. It's from Hermes. I'm just gonna do one of those. I just think Hermes packaging it's unbeatable. You cannot beat this. So here are the 2 items that I got from Hermes. So if you guys have seen my 2023, and I actually think I also mentioned it in my 2022 wish list, I'll link it right up here, both of those videos, in case you wanna see. I did mention this item on both of those wish lists, and I finally am checking it off, but maybe not the way that you think. So let's do it. Let's undress her, shall we? If you know Hermes, like, you know exactly what each box size means, but just in case you don't, what do you guys think it is? Like, you know now. Now you definitely know. This is my new Hermes Kelly belt. You guys, I have a Kelly belt. Shut up right now. Shut up. Look at the little dust bag. Look at the little dust bag. This is the gold Kelly belt, which is this is the color gold from Hermes, and it does have gold hardware. These stickers are like so perfectly put on. That's crazy. So in my 2022 and 2023 wish list, I mentioned that I did want to get an Hermes Kelly belt. I said that I was leaning towards white. I feel like there's more instances where I would want to wear a gold belt than a white belt. So that's why I went with the gold on gold. I did just purchase this from the website. By the way, both of the things that I have here were just purchased from the website. This color is not always available. The white is 100% always available, and the black, I believe, is also always available. And there's a few shades that are pretty much always available in the Kelly belt on the US website. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. But the gold, I kind of had to stock. I had to stock a little bit. I had to do a little bit of stocking. At the same time that I saw that this one was available, the gold on gold, I also saw the gold with rose gold, and I really debated for like a solid minute on getting that one, but I ended up deciding on just the regular gold because, like, look at that, looks good. I feel like gold looks a lot better with just regular gold or palladium. I don't really like the way that it looks that much with rose gold, so I felt like this was the perfect combo. But don't get it twisted, I love rose gold hardware. I just love the fact that it is adjustable. You guys know that I lost like 100 pounds, and it's just like having an adjustable belt, it's necessary. I mean, my weight hasn't really fluctuated since I lost the weight, which was like, it's been a couple years now, but just in case, I'm not trying to spend like $1,000 on a belt and then it doesn't fit me in a couple weeks. You know, that's just not the vibe. Plus, I really like the fact that I can wear this like with jeans, or I can wear it to like cinch in the waist. I really wanted it more to cinch in the waist than anything else. But like, if I wanted to wear it with jeans, the option is there for me. You know, I don't really like to wear belts with jeans usually, but I have the choice. Okay, that's what it's about. I have the choice. This is why I was thinking I still need to add a white belt, because I'm wearing this dress today and it comes with a belt, and the dress I love. The belt that comes with this dress is driving me up the wall. So I'm thinking maybe I still need a white one. But you You guys let me know what you think. So moving on to the second thing that I bought from Hermes. I guess this is just like my receipt or confirmation. So again, if you're an Hermes lover, I'm assuming you know exactly what is in this box. Let's just, it's definitely not a bag actually at all. It's not a bag. So if you guys want to see that one time that I actually did unbox an Hermes bag, I'll link it right up here for you. But don't expect that to happen anytime soon. The next thing that I got from Hermes, oh my God, I'm so excited. 2 dust bags. Can we just guess? I think we can guess, especially if you guys follow me on Instagram. You already know the one pair of these that I already have, I wear to death. To death. I'm literally wearing them today, actually. So, they're Hermes Oran sandals. Are you shocked? You really shouldn't be. So I figured I wanted to get these shoes anyways, and now I got the belt to match. I only have 1 pair of Oran sandals right now, so I felt like the perfect second pair was definitely the gold. I don't actually think that I would get a lot of use out of a black pair of Orans. I know a lot of people usually go for those as like their first pair. I don't really wear a lot of dark colors in the summer, and that's really the only time that I can wear Orans is in the summer because I live in New York and it's like cold as shit over here, okay? So I felt like the gold was the perfect next addition. I honestly have no idea what I would get after this, if I'm even going to get one after this. But since I got my white pair last summer, I thought this was the perfect time to get the gold pair, and plus I got the Kelly belt, and it is just a perfect match, okay? Okay. Actually, the shoes look a little darker. Can you guys see that on camera? I just smacked myself with the belt. Can you guys see that on camera? Can you guys see on camera how, like, the shoes definitely look darker, but damn, it's gonna be a match made in heaven with my caramel mini. Oh, let's bring the caramel mini. Let's bring her. This is from the 22S collection. Let's see. Shoes are a touch darker. Hold on, hold on. Belt is definitely close. Oh yeah, belt is really, really close. Stop it. Stop it right now. Just as sick as you guys are of me right now with my white Orans, because I wear them literally all the time. I cannot stop wearing them because they just go so well with everything that I own. So just prepare to be even more sick of me now that I have the gold ones with the belt. So that is it from Hermes. Those are the only 2 items that I got, but I did pick up something from Zimmermann. I think Saks was having a sale on some Zimmermann dresses, and there were 3 that I was obsessed with, but there was one that I was like really, really obsessed with, and then the other 2 like I just liked. So I felt like since I didn't like the other 2 as much as I liked the first one, that I should only get the first one. Is that smart shopping? I don't know. This feels like a really big box for a dress, but okay. Here is my item. Oh my God. So this is my newest Zimmermann dress. You guys know I absolutely love Zimmermann in the summer. I kind of hate that I live in a place that is so damn cold most of the time, because then that means I can't wear like all these floral, girly, frilly dresses and my Oran sandals all the time. When I originally saw this dress, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna need to own that. But it was like $900 if I remember that correctly, and no is the thing. So I didn't own it. And then, lucky for me, it went on sale at Saks. So obviously I scooped her up. Oh my God, look at the colors. They are just, these colors are so vibrant and just beautiful. This is why I wear my Oran so much, because like it's just white. It's a white dress. It's a white dress. This is not Zimmermann, but it's a white dress. You put the Orans on, you're good to go. So I just feel like that is the perfect summer look for me. I love it, and I would wear it every single day. I do wear it every single day. I don't know what the price was beforehand, but it was on sale for $626.50, which I think is worth it. Like, you guys know, if you know Zimmermann quality, you know it is absolutely worth it. You can wear these pieces like for the rest of your life and there will be no issue. I just think this is so gorgeous, and I don't know where I'm gonna wear this. Ooh, Alana's graduating next week. Alana's graduating kindergarten next week. Do I need to have a Zimmermann moment, you guys? I did get mine in the size 1, which is pretty much the size that I get all my Zimmermann dresses in. Size 1 is US 6, UK 10, French 38, Italian 42, just in case that helps you at all. I absolutely love the way that these dresses fit me, and I am just so excited to have this one. I just never thought I was gonna have it because it was so expensive, and I was not gonna pay that price point, but Oh, I love it so much. So yeah, guys, those are the 3 pieces that I recently picked up. You guys know that I am not trying to spend too much money this year, so my hauls they're gonna look like little baby hauls, and that's just what it is, and I'm okay with that, and I hope you guys are too. Let me know what you think about the 3 pieces that I did pick up. Which one are you most excited for me to wear? Let me know what's on your wish list. What should I get next from my wish list, you know, in a couple months. Not today. Also, don't forget to check out my book, Just a Beautiful Corpse. I'm gonna link it in the description box of pretty much every single video. Just in case you guys are interested or you're into murder mystery novels or anything like that, I'm gonna link it in the description box. But that's all that I have to say for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all that I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I was sliding and then I spill it by accident.
Okay, it's okay. Just pick it up and clean it, please.